In today's video, we're going to talk about an exciting side hustle that can help you make some extra money, flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. Hello, and welcome to the Money Express channel where we talk about all things money and making more of it. Whether you're looking for a new hobby, have some free time on your hands, or need to bridge a gap in your income, flipping is a great option. In this video, we'll be sharing 6 essential tips to help you start and maintain a successful flipping side hustle on Facebook Marketplace. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Source zero or low-cost inventory. The first tip I have for you is to source zero or low-cost inventory. This is crucial, especially when you're just starting. By keeping your costs low, you increase your profit margin and minimize the risk of loss. For the first 3 months, I recommend not spending more than $5 per item unless you're confident it will sell. You can start by looking for items collecting dust around your house or even explore free curbside finds on Facebook Marketplace. Thrift stores, garage sales, and places like falling prices are also great options for finding low-cost inventory. Experiment with different items and find what works for you. Once you find a reliable source, make it a part of your regular schedule. Remember, it's essential to stay open to different categories, brands, and price points. While you may initially gravitate towards items you personally like, be willing to learn about other items that sell well within your chosen market. Tip 2. Increase exposure with shipping, groups, and keywords. When listing your items, it's crucial to maximize exposure. The more people who see your listings, the higher the chances of making a sale. To increase exposure, make use of keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Additionally, consider offering shipping for eligible items. This expands your potential customer base beyond your local area. You can even share your listings in relevant Facebook groups, such as local marketplace groups or groups specific to the category of items you're selling. Remember to think about what someone would search for when looking for your item and incorporate those keywords strategically. Utilize the Insights section on Facebook Marketplace to understand what people are searching for in popular categories. Tip 3. Revisit sitting inventory. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, certain items may sit for longer than expected. In such cases, it's essential to have a plan. You can choose to renew the listing or consider lowering the price. Lowering the price not only attracts potential buyers who have viewed or saved your item but also increases the chances of a quick sale. Monitor the views, shares, and saves on your listing to determine which items are good candidates for a price reduction. You can renew the listing after a week or even the next day if you notice significant interest in the item. Tip 4. Follow other resellers. One way to gain confidence in your flipping side hustle is by connecting with other resellers. Following experienced resellers on platforms like Instagram can provide valuable insights and normalize the process for you. It's motivating to see people from different backgrounds successfully flipping items. Take note of the items they sell and keep an eye out for them during your sourcing trips. You can even join reseller communities and engage with other sellers for additional support and encouragement. Tip 5. Consider the 8-part listing rule. Having the right item is only half the battle, creating an effective listing is equally important. To increase the chances of your item showing up in search results, follow the 8-part listing rule. Here's a breakdown of each component. High-quality photos. Take multiple clear photos of the item from different angles. The cover photo is especially crucial as it catches the viewer's attention. Remember, people buy with their eyes, so make sure your photos showcase the item well. Thoughtful title. Craft a title that includes relevant keywords, the item description, and the brand name. Consider what potential buyers might search for and incorporate those terms into your title. Competitive pricing. Price your item slightly higher than what you want to get for it. This allows room for negotiation and potential price drops. Buyers love to feel like they're getting a deal, so don't undercut yourself too much. Detailed description. Fill in all the details about the item in the description section. While not everyone may read it thoroughly, it helps with search relevancy and provides additional information for interested buyers. Offer shipping. If your item is eligible for shipping, consider offering it as an option. This expands your potential customer base beyond your local area. You can either build the shipping cost into the price or let the buyer pay for shipping. Strategic tags. Utilize relevant tags to help your listing reach the right audience. Think about the keywords people might use when searching for your item and incorporate those tags into your listing. Local marketplace groups. Increase your reach by listing your item in local marketplace groups. Selling locally allows you to avoid seller fees associated with shipped orders. Find groups specific to your area or even niche groups related to the category of items you're selling. Start today, take action and start listing items right away. Begin with something you already have at home and no longer need. List it at a price that allows room for negotiation and use the keywords and description techniques mentioned earlier. Once you make a sale, use the profit to reinvest in more inventory or shipping supplies. And there you have it, 6 valuable tips for starting and maintaining a successful flipping side hustle on Facebook Marketplace. Remember to source zero or low-cost inventory, increase exposure through shipping, groups, and keywords, revisit sitting inventory, follow other resellers for inspiration, utilize the 8-part listing rule to maximize your chances of a sale, and most importantly, start today. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to embark on your flipping journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update from the Money Express. If you have any questions or want to share your own flipping success stories, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy flipping.